Now that we've taken a look at galleries and landmarks, a broad and fascinating topic with just a glimpse of the possibilities, let's switch gears to something more relaxing. Let's head together through the Grand Central Hall to one of the quieter gems of the multiverse, the cinema complex. There are currently 4 spaces to explore. Today, we'll focus on 2 of them, Stonehenge and the main cinema. Stonehenge is a stunning virtual recreation of the real-world monument, and it's fully explorable in VR. I still remember the first time I stumbled upon it. I had no guide like you do now, just wandered through different areas, and suddenly I was standing in front of it. I was mesmerized. I must have taken dozens of photos with my MetaQuest and shared them with friends on WhatsApp. Honestly, you could call it spamming, but I couldn't help it. But Stonehenge is more than just a visual highlight. During special times like the solstices, the area becomes truly alive. Unique events are held to honor the spiritual and historical importance of the site. And if you happen to visit during one of these times, you're in for an unforgettable experience. The atmosphere, especially during sunset, is one of a kind. Moving on, the main cinema. This space is ideal for artists, musicians, creators, and communities who want to present their content in a powerful and immersive way. Imagine you're in a band and want to premiere your new album visually and emotionally. This is the place to do it. The cinema is open to everyone. If you're planning a live event, a product launch, a virtual premiere, or even an immersive short film screening, you can book this space and be in the spotlight of the multiverse for a few days.